Hi everybody, welcome back to another reading, and this is Tam Predicts. I'm a psychic tarot reader. Today I'm going to bring you big messages for the month of December. I'm going to do 5 messages for each element: fire, earth, air, and water. So let's see what are the big messages for you guys, and what do you need to know, and it's if something is changing in December drastically, or what are the things that you should be careful about, or what are the things you need to do or not to do. So let's start the reading with the water sign. I want to start with the water sign. Let's see what are the 5 messages for you, water sign. I've got 3 decks today. I'm going to use them. Let's see what are the messages for water signs for December. How December is going to be for you guys. December is not really a month of a lot of money coming in. That's what I feel. I feel there is money coming in, but somehow you're not getting a hold of that money. Either it's a delayed project, or the bills are not cleared, or something to do with money stuck somewhere. That's the first thing that I get for water signs. For December. Remember, this is a general reading, so not necessarily it will resonate. All the messages will resonate. So whatever you think is been happening in November or December, you've been expecting something. So those are the messages for December. So water signs, money stuck. Though there's a lot of money coming your way, but somehow I feel in around December 11th or 15th is the time when you'll start getting a lot of money from stuck projects. That's the first message. A lot of romance happening in December, especially I get a lot of number 3 here. Anything to do with multiples of 3, maybe your partner is number 3, the birth date or the month is 3 or multiples of 3. I feel you opening up to love, water sign, you being more open about love, you being more expressive, you letting people in your life more. I don't know why you were closed. You were closed pretty much before this, but I think love. I also get the message love coming back into your life. So back could be a past lover, or could be rekindling of a love. But yes, the doors to love are opening, and I think December is going to be pretty much romantic for you guys, water signs. See, I told you after 11th or 15th, I got 11th or 15th December. There is going to be wealth coming in. There's going to be money coming in some way from some sources, especially if they have been stuck. Your salary has been stuck, or project has been stuck. This is what just fell out of my hand, so I'm going to include it in the reading, water sign. Show the world the real you. I think this is what you're going to do in December. You've been very different in all these months or years gone by. I don't know why I get this message, but right now you're going to open up to people you love, or people you interact with often. So this is opening up, water signs. I feel someone who was very closed is now trying to understand people, or it's easier for people to understand you, because right now you are actually putting forward your real self, or the way you feel, or there are emotions that you didn't talk about, or emotions that you kept inside, and people really didn't know what you made of, or what you're thinking. So this is water signs opening up to the world. So that's what I get. Let's see what's the last card for you. Please don't lose strength. Please be careful when you're dealing with number 8, number 9. That's another number that I get, number 9 specifically. This is also a lot of hard work. I don't want to say losing strength. I want to say keep the strength, because I feel December is going to be a very hectic month for you, and there's a lot of work that needs to be done. And eat well. That's another message that I get, channel message. Eat well, sleep well, drink a lot of water, because you need all the strength in December. You're going to feel weak. Somewhere you're going to feel weak. I don't know if it's dehydrated, or feeling weak, not really feeling well, but you cannot afford to do that, because you have a lot of work coming up in December. That's what I feel. That's a reading for water signs. I wanted to be a quick overview, some messages that I wanted to give, 5 messages each, which I thought were important, and I was being almost I wanted to do a reading. I didn't know which reading to do, but I was being pushed by the guides to do this reading. So I'm going to go to the air signs next. Let's see what are the 5 messages for the air signs. What are the 5 messages for the air signs? Financial constraints. I feel after the 4th of December, your finances will be better, but I feel 4 or 8. I get two numbers, air signs, for you. Also, take care of your finances. I also feel what will come in will also go out. So, this is almost trying to keep some of the finances with you. Otherwise, you'll be left with an empty shelf. It's also be careful of, just not. Be careful that you need to lock your stuff, because I don't know why I feel don't just leave your stuff like that. I don't want it to be picked up, or anybody picking up your money or losing money. That's another word that I get. So be careful about your finances. Also, this is half closed, half open. I also want you to keep some money in, okay, for the rainy days, like I always say. So whatever you get an X amount, please don't spend all of it, is the first message for the air signs. This is for December. So man is going to be more open in love. You're going to get love in your life. This is a caring guy. This is someone who loves you. This is a new love. This is true love. This is your soulmate. This is the twin flame. So I get a lot of love situation for air signs in the month of December. Um, I also feel somebody who's going to express themselves quite a bit, or going to say things that are going to make you happy, are going to surprise you in some way. The man is going to surprise you. It could be, committing to you, or could be saying things he hasn't said before. So be ready to hear all those beautiful words and lovely things. That's what I get for air signs. Somebody opening up to you was really close, but opening up to you. I feel a wish fulfillment will be delayed. That's the message I get for this. I'm getting a lot of threes and nines, and I'm getting a lot of multiples of threes today. So I also feel wish fulfillment will be delayed in December. I feel you also wanting to visit one of the religious places. I don't know why air signs I get that. I feel also you're not connecting too much to your inner self, or to the guiding spirit, or any God that you believe in. I want you to connect more. It's almost not believing in God. Something happened in November or before that. It's almost disconnecting from God, and not, or probably not getting a time to do your meditation or the chanting or the way you connect with God. So this in December, remember to keep some time aside to meditate, or to offer your prayers or whatever, if you think it's important. That's what I get. I'm going to take two more messages, because I'm doing five messages. I'm going to use the other cards. Let's see what the Moonology cards are saying about you. This one almost fell. This came for water signs also. I'm going to take another card, because I feel another card belongs to this reading. This is all about showing your true self to the world. That's the message that I get. But I feel this, oh, nothing will come out of this situation. So if you don't show the world the true you, or you don't show the true side, nothing is going to come out of this situation. Or probably you blowing the situation too much out of proportion. Something has become too big, to handle now, and something will create a void in in your life. Something was a very important part of your life. Probably the value of that would diminish or become smaller in some way, or probably you will not value the thing or the person too much, or could be a job. The value of something is becoming less in this. I don't know what it is. You're going to value somebody less, or probably a job less. It's you won't value a job anymore, or I don't know. It's somebody's value becoming less. That's what I get. I get a very different message here. That thing is not going to be of great importance. So many fails. So somebody whose name starts from A, there'll be a new beginning. If you're an air sign, I'm going to say there's a new beginning for you. And also deal with the situation wisely, because I got these two cards out. They flew out, though I'm giving five messages, and for air signs I think there were more messages. So just be careful, just be wise. I feel a lot of hard work. I feel a lot of wisdom, to use a lot of wisdom in this situation. Okay, I also see a different point of view, you having a different point of view from someone else. I'm telling you, today is all about multiples of three. So it's 9, 3, 12. Those cards are coming out right now. So also looking for something. I don't know why. I feel this is so much of a soul searching card in December. It's almost looking for something, looking more inside than outside, trying to know yourself, trying to know yourself better is another big message that I'm getting. Almost like being fed up of the world, and putting your energy on yourself. That I need to take care of myself. That's another message. So let's move on to the earth signs now, and fire is left. This is earth sign, five messages for December. What are the big five messages for you guys? It's an overview. Indecision will be on its way. You'll have two choices. You'll have to choose from two paths. There are choices to be made. Okay. I feel multiple possibilities. I don't even get two. I get more than two, guys. I don't know why it's for this is the general guidance. So I feel for one of you or two of you who are listening to this, number one choice is better. I don't know why. It's a guided message for you guys. Please, if it applies to your situation, it's great. But I don't know why I feel that you'll go with the first one rather than the second one, because there'll be two choices. Though I feel multiple choices, but if there's a choice between two, I don't know why I feel the first one is much better. I don't know what it means to you. I also feel getting together with friends. Celebrating with friends, I also feel some kind of a party, some kind, you're calling your friends over. That's what I get. One of the weekends, you haven't seen your friends for a lot of times. I also get 7 years. I don't know why I get 7 years. Or probably you've been friends for 7 years, or something to do with seven. Or you are going to meet after 7 days, and which is December. So friends are going to get together. And I also feel you college friends, you know each other from college. I don't know why I get college, but I get a lot of college. You met each other in college, or long time ago, you met, and you haven't met for 7 years, and suddenly you got a chance to meet somewhere out of station, not the place you stay, but somewhere else. You, three or four of you, are going somewhere. Yes, there is a journey. The moment I said you're going somewhere, you're going on a journey with your friends. That's another thing. Also, there are a lot of routes here. Like I said, multiple decisions, multiple paths opening up for you, multiple opportunities opening up for you, multiple friends coming into your life, multiple people in your life. I don't know why earth sign, there are a lot of choices, which is good also, and bad in a way. Sometimes two choices also means, you're getting confused, you're getting stuck. But I feel a lot of in a lot of good way, there are choices, there's a journey naturally. Also leaving also leaving the past behind is what I get. Also very carefree kind of a person, getting your freedom from somewhere, from something, moving on, deciding to go on a holiday with friends is what I get. Or probably you were deciding to go or not to go to meet your friends, and probably you made a decision to go. That's another story that I just got. Yeah, that's another story for one of you. You were very confused. It could also mean that you had to leave your job, or you had to leave something to be with your friends or to be with someone, and you didn't know if you had to take the journey or not. uh, you wouldn't have any time to look after yourself. That's what I feel. Okay, and I feel nothing needs healing in December, which is such a beautiful message. You're all healed. You're all ready for new beginnings is also what I get. That's why I said you've left some past behind, and you're very happy in your life. This is somebody who's very free. I get a very free spirit here. You've got your freedom. You were bound to a situation or something for a lot of time, and now you've really got freedom, and you know how it feels, and you're enjoying it so much. So December is a time when you're enjoying your freedom all this while, and you will enjoy your freedom in December, because you're packing your bags and you're going together with someone, with your friends or someone. Seven number, seven is important. You haven't met for a long time, something to do with seven. Good times were left behind. It's also reliving the good times. Maybe you haven't met somebody for 7 years. I don't know why I get this message. Not really a great message, but yeah. You were married for 7 years, and actually did lead to a divorce, and now you're happier. That's another thing that I get happier, because your marriage didn't turn out to be the way it you thought it would be, so beautiful. Or could be a relationship that you could be staying with the person, or a very important relationship to you, and you've moved on from there, and you are happier. This you're happier. I mean, there is no sad story to it. Even if it was a relationship or whatever, I feel you've healed, you've moved on, and this is a much happy earth sign. That's what I get. I'm going to move on to the fire sign. Let's see what are the five messages for you guys. What are the five important messages for the month of December? Remember, this is an overview. What are the messages? What are the messages for you for this one fell? I'm going to take both, because both fell out of my hand. Going to be emotional. You're going to take action. Please don't take action when you are emotional, fire sign, especially if you're dealing with a water sign. I get, even with the earth sign, I don't get with an air sign, but I feel water sign and earth sign, fire. This is for fire signs. Um don't take any action when you're emotional. Okay, I get a lot of heavy feeling. Your emotions are going to sway you in the wrong direction is also what I get. So in December, just be careful. Think, I would say pause for a minute, think what you want to do, and then move forward. Okay, and just don't um, you know um, just don't make decisions based on emotions, because then it's not going to be a good situation for you. And you don't need to act, you really don't need to act if you don't feel like doing anything around that time. You don't need to take action. If you think that situation can be controlled, and probably a response later is much better, do that. Okay, it's rather to be quiet than to just say things suddenly, and spoil any kind of a situation. Not really thinking much. See, this came reversed. You're not putting much thinking in December. You're taking decisions. It's okay. Another message that I get is hurt. Sorry, why did I say hurt? Okay, so you've been hurt by the heart. Your heart has been hurt because you've not been thinking much about it. You've not. It's not a mind thing. Okay, you've not made a mind decision, and anyway, you got hurt in that decision. You used your mind to get away from something. I don't know if it's just a relationship reading or it's a job. It's something where you used your heart and not your mind, and that left you pretty hurt, and probably you think it's not the right decision. That's what's going to happen in December. So guys, just be careful. It's not necessary to have action. Inaction is also okay. If it inaction is better, that it the situation will subside, or wait for the situation to settle, then take action. Maybe that's another message that I get. But you're definitely not thinking. You're not good enough. See, somebody's left you hurt, thinking, breaking your confidence, breaking your self worth. They didn't value you in some way, and you think you're not good enough. That's why this card has come reversed. You made the decision with your heart, and that's left you with a broken heart. You wish you could turn back time. In December, that's another message that I get. I want to take one more card out for you guys. Emotions are running high. In December, don't do this. This is reverse. This is what you don't need to do, okay? I get your emotions are also going to go up and down. It's going to be a dip, okay? Like a roller coaster ride. I feel with this message, I get suddenly getting very emotional and suddenly, quiet. Suddenly emotional, it totally quiet. So that's also not good for you and for your health. Stop, think, and then make a decision. Fire signs, please do that. Yes, you could, if you think properly and not just from your heart. You'll be in a better position in December. That's what I get. You'll be on the top of any situation. So I would want you to pause. This is the most important thing. Not get frustrated in a situation. Not just use your heart to tackle the situation. And it's going to pass. If it's going to pass if you're not going to be too emotional and sudden outbursts to deal with a situation. That's when you will be top of the situation. That's what you need to do in December. Not get too emotional, not get too quiet suddenly. I think you need to think a lot. This should have been reversed. That's when action is required. Don't do everything using your heart. It's not going to be good for you. It's going to pain you. Okay, that's not a good thing to do right now. That's what I get. So those were the messages. Thank you so much for listening to my reading. I'll be back again with another reading. My throat wasn't good, so I wasn't doing too many readings. But yes, I'm going to record soon and take personal readings soon. Thank you so much for being here, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a very good December. So take care. Bye.